Alright, so I got curious, and you guys are going to find out with me. I saved and exited out just where I was in the last video. Let's go to applications here. Just to take this to the point of proving that it works 110%. I want to take it that extra step for you guys. Alright. I'm uninstalling it completely. Now, hope this goes over well. I'm going to install it fresh from the Play Store. On LTE. I've used like hella gigabytes this month already. Fuck it. Alright. Alright. Hopefully I can video while installing an app. That's going to be my biggest issue here, is being able to video while in an app. Alright, we'll let that download. It's going to take a minute, but I'm not going to pause it because you guys will think I faked something. I know how YouTube works, so just going to pause it and let it do its thing. Back up over across the street. Here at the hardware store, had to get some bolts for the boats. Wow, this is the slowest shit in the world right now. Oh, because I'm uploading to YouTube while downloading. Sorry, fellas. Picked a bad time to make a movie or a video. Right in the middle of uploading a video. I'm going to be going through the data this month. But you guys are staying with me. I'm not gonna pause it, because then there's a chance that I faked something, and I don't want that. So bear with me, fellas. Come on. Come on. My phone is on fire. Try to let it cool down a little bit while it downloads. Here at the, I don't know if you guys can see that. I can't see what you can see. Kleindorfer's hardware and variety store. My phone's on fire. Sorry. We're almost there, guys. Almost there. you should have probably skipped through this. I'm sure since you're on YouTube, you can skip through this shit, so you will. Which, I'll let you skip through it. I'm not going to skip it, because then I want this to be 100%, man. I don't like when people skip around and leave room where you can be like, oh, they edited that. No, this is on my phone. I'm not editing this shit. There's no fucking editing. This is straight to... Anybody that watches my videos know those motherfuckers do not get edited. Shit happens all the time that's just unscripted, so that's not getting edited. This motherfucker's going straight on YouTube. Okay, it's done almost. Sweet. It's got to install. But anyway, this is going straight on YouTube, so I'm not cutting any corners, not pausing it while it installs, and letting you guys off easy. If you guys want some proof, you guys can bear through and watch it all the way. But I'm just going to show you from a fresh install. Jesus, I can't believe my phone's even recording while this is going on right now. This is crazy. So slow. Piece of shit phone. Alright. Moment of truth for my friends. My friends. Moment of truth. Fresh install. It's gonna make me start over as a sword master, I'm gonna assume. Please make me start over and download. I want it to make me download a fresh install. Or a fresh cloud save. Come on. Make me be a sword master. Yeah. Yeah. What happened to sword master? Use this fucking name. Alright. Let's see, boys. Let's see how this fucker works. Download from cloud. We are downloading from cloud. It didn't even ask me. Oh, okay, there we go, yeah. Relics. There you go, guys. That's my cloud save. 827T Relics. At current stage 2903. There you go, guys. That's it. I'm telling you, this ain't fake. This is not bullshit. This is the real shit. But unfortunately, because it's so real, I'm scared to let it out, and either the devs fix it or every motherfucker be hacking it. If it wasn't for people who enjoyed this game, nobody'd be on YouTube looking up videos. And all you guys would quit watching my videos as soon as you guys had bazillions of everything for yourselves. So I'm a little bit leery to let it out. I don't know what to do. So drop a comment, like, subscribe, something. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you think I should let you have it or not. Might be talked into it. So, anyway, that's another short video. I always think of shit I can do to prove it's real after I get off the video. So, I wanted to download from a fresh install. I didn't show you guys that in the last one, completely fresh installed, deleted the motherfucker and reinstalled it. So let me join. This person's been trying to get me to join all day and I feel terrible. Actually, let me just tell him. Alright, well, peace up, A-Town down. Let me know what you guys think. See what you guys want to do with this. I don't know if I want to release it or if you... Some of you probably think I should keep it a secret because I know there's a lot of people that hate hackers. So if you're coming to my channel to watch these videos because you hate hackers, I mean, maybe you will understand and appreciate that I don't want to release this that badly. I would really like to not release it, but if it comes down to it, I just might release it. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. I own all the artifacts now, by the way. Working on 100K bosses. There's still a lot of these fuckers I don't actually have. But anyway, a couple tournaments from now, we'll be getting hundreds of tournament points every time. I could probably give myself tournament points, to be honest, but where's the fun in that shit? So, well, have a good day, guys. Thanks. Bye.